Namaskar Cambridgians, bonjour, ça va? Aujourd'hui, on va commencer un nouveau sujet, c'est le pronom relatif composé. D'accord, je pense, nous avons déjà fait ce sujet. We have already done this topic. Uh, okay. Okay. Before explaining le pronom relatif composé, we have already done interrogative pronom interrogative. That is lequel, laquelle, lesquels, and lesquels feminine plural. Okay. Lequel we use with masculine singular. Laquelle we use with feminine. We have already done this pronoun interrogative. Then lesquels is masculine plural and lesquels this one is feminine plural. Okay. This you already know. Now ici c'est écrit, it's written on les utilise en général après une préposition. Now what is pronom relatif composé? Preposition plus this lequel, laquelle, lesquels and lesquels. This is pronom relatif composé. You can see this example. Two sentences are there. Yes. One more thing. What is the role of pronom relatif composé? We join two sentences in one sentence. Okay, to make a single sentence. Now, you can see this that the sentence is La société est à Paris. La société. This is already underlined. La société, the society est à Paris. The society is in Paris. Je travaille pour une société française. Now children, after seeing this sentence, can you see what is common in both the sentences? La société and here also une société française. This is common in both the sentences, right? So what we are going to do, the first one, the common one, the first one we will write in the answer. But the second one, in the common part, in second sentence, instead of writing that word, we'll use lequel, laquelle. So then preposition, pour is preposition. Preposition plus instead of this common part, you have to use lequel, laquelle according to the gender. So la société, the society, pour is a preposition. So we'll write pour. Then what we are replacing? Société française. Société word is feminine. So we'll use laquelle. So preposition is pour in this sentence. Then it's feminine because société is feminine. So we'll use laquelle. So pour laquelle. La société pour laquelle. The society for which I work is in Paris. So preposition plus lequel, laquelle, lesquels you have to use. This is only in pronoun relative composé. It is just part of two things, that is preposition plus lequel, laquelle and all that. Then second sentence, les amis sont allemands. The friends are German. Friends are German. Les amis. Okay, this is underlined, so I'll just mark it. Then je voyage avec des amis. So what is common in both the sentences? Ami, right? Ami is common. So what we are going to do, in the first sentence Ami is there and we'll write Ami. Then in the second sentence Ami will not write. Instead of that we'll use lequel, laquelle and all that. But before using that we have to see the preposition. Preposition is avec here. So the friends with whom I'll travel are German. So preposition is avec here. So avec plus des amis, it's masculine plural. Okay, ami is masculine plural here. So out of this, which one will use? This one, masculine plural. Okay, so masculine plural is lesquels. So avec lesquels. I hope you have understood. Okay, so preposition plus lequel, laquelle you have to use. And why here we have used lesquels? Because ami is masculine plural. Okay, then similarly here they have given that like the restaurant in which I have a meeting is in Montparnasse. So the restaurant in which, preposition is dans. Then why lequel? Why not laquelle or this masculine plural lesquels feminine plural? Because restaurant is masculine here. Okay, je pense c'est clair. Then here la deuxième phrase, la personne avec laquelle j'ai rendez-vous s'appelle Sophie. The person with whom I have a meeting is Sophie. So now with whom? Preposition is avec. Then why laquelle? Why not lequel? Because we are talking about the person and person is feminine, so laquelle. Ok, I hope, j'espère vous avez compris ce sujet et après ça, nous avons un exercice. Oui. This is an exercise, but I have already written the answers so that you can understand properly. And why I have taken this exercise, children, because the same type of exercise but sentences are different. I have given you in your assignment also, so do it wisely. Now you can see this sentence. I'll discuss two sentences. Annie est une fille pour dash l'argent n'est pas important. Annie is a girl for whom money is not important. Okay, so preposition is there, pour. Now after pour, preposition plus lequel laquelle you have to use. So we can use, why we have used here laquelle? Because we are talking about girl. Okay, we are talking about girl here. Annie is a girl. Annie is feminine. So that's why preposition plus laquelle. Now children, one more thing why I have taken this exercise. Can you notice one thing, that in whole, like in all the sentences, Philippe et Jean, person, we are talking about person. Then Christina, person. Then avec Monique et Odile, person. Then Anne et Jean. I just want to say with this exercise that if person is there, you can use preposition plus key also. That is also correct. But we are doing this topic prono-relative composé, and in which the formation is preposition plus lequel laquelle. So I am putting lequel laquelle. But I'm just saying that why have you observed that in all the sentences key is also there. So this exercise means that if you write preposition plus key for the person, that is also correct. But this topic is preposition plus lequel laquelle, so that is obviously it's there that preposition and lequel laquelle is there, which is absolutely right. But you have an option that preposition plus key also you can write for persons, and in whole exercise we are talking about the people. So that's why I have chosen this exercise. Now next is yes. Now, if we take preposition a, so if a plus lequel is there, we are talking about preposition plus lequel laquelle. So when a plus lequel become oquel. Okay, a plus lequel becomes oquel. Then a plus laquelle is alaquelle. Then a plus lequel, plural, so oquel, and a plus lequel, feminine plurial, oquel. Okay, okay. Then you can see this example here. Le livre, no, first see the question. Il fait allusion à un livre de Marguerite Duras. It makes allusion to a book of Marguerite Duras. So the book in which allusion is there is of Marguerite Duras. So the book in which a plus lequel. Why lequel I am saying for this sentence? Because livre is masculine. So a plus lequel becomes oquel. Oquel is the answer. So here we have used oquel. Okay, because a plus lequel. And why lequel? Because we are talking about livre, and livre is masculine. Okay, I hope you have understood this point. Then pour les personnes on utilise souvent qui. Now again they are saying the same thing, that for persons we often use qui also. Like qui is also correct. Preposition plus qui for persons. And for people and for things, obviously you will use preposition plus lequel laquelle. But for persons you can use preposition plus lequel laquelle also, or preposition plus qui is also correct. So you have option in with persons. Okay, that's why I have taken this example. Then after that, children, some examples are written here. That first sentence is les commerçants dash j'ai demandé leur n'était pas très aimable. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? The shopkeepers to whom I asked the time were not very good, were not lovable, or they were not very soft spoken. So why we have used oquel here? Because I want to say to whom. So a plus lequel, feminine one. A plus lequel, feminine is oquel. And why I am saying feminine one? Because we are talking about commerçant, shopkeepers, which means shopkeepers. So commerçant here is feminine plural. So a plus lequel, feminine will be oquel. So oquel I have used here. Okay, then next, Stephanie et Charles sont les amis grâce auxquels Olivier a rencontré Charlotte. Stephanie and Charles are the friends because of whom Olivier has met Charlotte. So now we are talking about two people. and one Charles is a boy and Stephanie is a girl. So when one boy, one girl is there, it is considered to be masculine plural. So for masculine plural, a plus lekel. A plus lekel will be okel masculine plural. So okel is the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. Then next sentence, André Gire est un écrivain dash je dois beaucoup. Andre Gire is a writer to whom I love a lot, or I admire a lot. So okel. Okel, why here a plus lekel? Because a, obviously it's a preposition. In all these sentences we are using a preposition plus lekel. Why lekel? Because we are talking about écrivain, and écrivain is masculine. Okay, we are talking about écrivain. Écrivain is masculine, so a plus lekel is okel. I hope vous avez compris ce sujet. Et après ça, oui. Maintenant, nous faisons la préposition avec the. Now we'll do with the preposition. Now the plus lekel will be dukel. The plus lakel will be the lakel. The plus lekel masculine plural will be dekel, this spelling. And then the plus lekel feminine plural will be dekel. Okay. Now they are saying that children, the plus lekel will be dukel. This is clear to you. But then if any preposition like a kote the, any preposition is ending with the, like a kote the, a propos the, par per the. So if any preposition is ending with the, then after that, if you, after, for example, after a kote the, you want to use lekel. So a kote the plus lekel will be dukel. Okay, so a kote the and lekel, so the plus lekel will become dukel. So a kote dukel will be the answer for masculine one. Now here I have taken this example. This is a question. This is the question of this sentence, and then the answer will discuss. Tu habites à côté d'une maison. You live beside a house. I dream of this house. So what is common here? A house and of this house. This is common. Cette maison is common and une maison is common. Okay. So this is common. So how we'll write the answer to make it one sentence? La maison, okay, the house, la maison, à côté de laquelle, beside which you live, is the house of which I dream. So à côté de is a preposition here. So à côté de plus laquelle. Now why we have used laquelle here? The answer is because here we are talking about maison, and maison is feminine. Okay, maison is feminine here, so that's why à côté de is a preposition plus laquelle, because we are talking about maison. So we have joined two sentences, that la maison, the house. We have changed une maison of a house को हमने, we have changed it into la maison, that the house beside which you live is the house of which I dream. So we have joined two sentences. Then next, children, I have taken this exercise also so that you can understand properly. Arlette est une femme au sujet de laquelle on a dit beaucoup de choses désagréables. The sentence is a bit complicated. That Arlette is a lady. Okay, Arlette is a lady of, like, on whom, like, for which we have said or heard lot of things, like very bad things we have heard. So au sujet de is a preposition. Okay, au sujet de is a preposition. So au sujet de plus laquelle. So au sujet de laquelle. Then au-dessus de. Au-dessus de plus lesquels is the like answer. So au-dessus de plus les become they. The plus les become they. And why here quel feminine one? Feminine because we are talking about neighbors. Les voisins. Les voisins au-dessus desquels j'habite écoutent sans arrêt la radio. The neighbors, yes, the neighbors above whom I live listen like non-stop radio. This is the meaning of the sentence. So why we are using they quel feminine plural here? Because au-dessus de is a preposition. Au-dessus de. The is also there with au-dessus. So the plus lesquels becomes desquels. Okay. Au-dessus de is a preposition. I am repeating this. Au-dessus de is a preposition plus lesquels. So the plus les become they. So that's why the answer is starting with desquels. And why quel here is feminine plural? Because we are talking about neighbors and it is feminine. plural. I hope children and other sentences are also like this, and I hope ce sujet est clair parce que ce sujet est très important. This topic is important. Revise this topic, listen to the video properly and see each sentence properly, because children, this question prono-relative sample still may not come in your board exam, but prono-relative compose is very very important. It carries 5 marks in your board paper. So this topic is very important. Et je pense c'est clair. Étudiez bien maintenant. Ne gaspillez votre temps. Ne gaspillez pas votre temps. C'est très important. Et étudiez et amusez-vous. Bonne journée. Merci.